got a letter from Google. KishanNursery.in. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. Good morning, guys. Next hacker of the India just behind me. He is kind of he is a retarded person. The wonderful day just started, guys. Let's go and have some breakfast, and then we will see where we can go. See behind me, this is our main spot. Most of the time we came here because it gives a very tasty, very good for us at least.
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm very happy. You know why? See, I got a letter from Google. It may be a small thing for others, but it means a lot to me. And I don't know what inside it. Maybe the pin for my address verification, but you cannot imagine how happy right now I am. It's the happiest weekend of my life. Officially, I got something from Google. So it's a great thing for me. I'm very happy, guys. I will dance now. So guys, here we are. We are going out to do 2-3 activities, and in this week we did not manage to go for trekking at any pahad, any mountain. It's a sad thing. So it's a life, guys. We have time to every task, so it will happen. So let's see in between week we can do something or not. But right now I am going in Pimpri market again. That is one of the cheapest electronics market what we have in Pune. So I am going to increase 8 GB RAM of my laptop. I am telling this thing to you is because lot of people and lot of users, they don't know you can increase your laptop RAM, but remember 2-3 things while buying a laptop. So I don't go in deep regarding laptops and configuration and all that. And if somebody wants to understand and how they can increase the RAM or something like that, then comment down below or follow me on Instagram. You can contact me there, so I will tell you. So we'll go and see shop at the Pimpri market. It is open because today is Sunday. So let's go, guys. Look at, guys, this bike is awesome. And I want to share one thing with you guys. Yesterday bike hit with one vehicle, and look, stand is missing here. We have to repair this. What is that?
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bright.
Alright, guys, we're in Pimpri again.
'Cause you're here with me now.
So guys, finally I am at one shop where I will be going to replace the RAM of my laptop. You can see he is the man who is going to replace the RAM. And look at his shop. It is situated in the Pimpri. I have gone to 2-3 shops, and what I found is that the reasonable price with very good service here. If you are hanging around in Pimpri, so you have to come here. I hope I will get a solution. So I will finish here and then we will go.
A few moments later.
So guys, I finished installing the RAM and I am very happy. I found the RAM which will suit to my laptop. And now we are not going for grocery shopping. It is very late. It's a Sunday, so a lot of people will be there and we cannot shop. That's it. So we are going somewhere else. I don't know where Tale will take me. So look at him. So let's go, guys. We will find something to eat because I am starving again. And this market is fantastic, guys. You will find anything you want. So I brought 8 GB RAM for 3,800. That's a very cheap price actually. And because of GST, I have to pay more 700 of tax. and look what they actually transformed this place into this. They have food street, rolls mania, and lot of things here. So it's awesome place to hang out. We are in hurry, so some other day I will try to taste this food street and all. So we will go home right now and then we will talk. So guys, I just come back from Pimpri Market and Big Bazaar. I didn't manage to go out in this weekend. Sorry about that, but in upcoming next week, guys, I'm surely going somewhere, and together we will explore the more places near Pune, because this is monsoon and this is cracking season, guys, everywhere. You saw my last vlog. I think so you might enjoy that vlog also. Just wanted to tell you what happened in the last 2 days, because whatever the clip you just saw, it is just for the Sundays, and Saturday what I did. So Saturday you saw my friend, that is Deepak. He is a genius, guys, and why I'm saying so, because what we did on Saturday is like we make one website, that is kisannursery.in. So do check out. I will give you the link in the description. That website we both together sit from morning to the evening, and we make that website. So that may not be a big deal for a lot of people, but it's a big deal for us, guys. If you watch my village vlog, you met my brother. He does farming and a lot of things in my village. So he just now started one nursery. So that nursery, he want to take it on another level, and he is actually doing a very hard work. He literally doing hard work on that, guys. So we made one website for him, and do check out that website. There is a wonderful plants and variety of the plants you will find over there. And if you belong from Nagpur or Wardha, there you will find also the location of that nursery, and do visit, guys, if you are living in Wardha and Nagpur. So that is the website work we did on Saturday, and then obviously we people are crazy for games, so we did some NFL gaming and all that things. I'll see you in the next week, but before that I want to say, you guys, I love you so much. I'm doing it, these all the things, because it is giving me a spark to my life. So that much important thing is for me this. I hope you will get what I want to say. So I'm enjoying my life, and I hope I wanted to give us some happiness through my videos. So guys, if you like my videos and my vlogs, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel to support me, and give us big thumbs up to this video if you like. So guys, we will see you in the next week. Till then, bye bye, see you, sayonara, bye. Please watch this video till end, because at the end I will post the nursery's photograph. They are awesome, guys. Do check out that also. So see you, bye bye. We will see you in the next week. Till then, do whatever you want to do, my lovely friends.